'Cause up until yesterday, you were a memory in a bottle, washed away before I went away to college. I safely tucked you away, so
It is so cold right now. It is so cold. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Caroline, and if you're new here, you should totally subscribe and join the man fam. It's like 29 degrees in Boise, Idaho. I've got some exciting things coming up. I'm on my way to campus right now. I have my bag, water bottle, and the cup holder, and of course my heavy-duty Aritzia jacket. It's 9 a.m. I'm headed to campus. I'm gonna be at Boise State University from like 9:30 till 4:15 because full day packed of college classes. And then tonight I'm going to learn how to ski. So I've gone skiing only once in my life. It was last year. I went with two of my girlfriends and I did not learn from a professional or anything. One of my friends snowboarded while my other friend and I skied, and this was like our first time skiing. We had no clue what we were doing, so we looked up on TikTok, and this is so stupid, do not do this. We went on TikTok, looked up the basics. We were like, oh, okay, yeah, pizzaing, you put your knees together, feet go out, and then french fry down the mountain. And that's all we knew. So it was a disaster. I fell so many times on my butt and it hurt so bad. So I figured, okay, now that I'm a college student and Bogus Basin, which is the ski mountain, is pretty close to where I live, I might as well just full send it and take lessons. Today, I'm gonna be taking lessons. It's actually through the outdoor program at Boise State. So it's including the shuttle up to the mountain, gear included, and then obviously lessons. And additionally, the real reason, if I'm being honest, why I decided to take ski lessons today is because my boyfriend invited me to go skiing with his friends in Breckenridge in February. And I don't want to embarrass myself. And hopefully kind of get my feet in the ground, figure it out before I'm in Breckenridge, which is like pretty much one of the most recognizable ski resorts in the country. I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna get to campus. Let's go get our education on. Why do I look like a ghost right now? Gloves from Peru are coming on. I'm gonna try to catch the bus. If I miss it, I'll just walk to class, but I really do not want to walk right now. I'm back from class. Quickly put together one of my favorite beef bowls. I'm gonna add some sprinkled cheese though on top. I have like 8 minutes to get my stuff together. I ran downstairs, changed into my snow pants. I have my gloves, my beanie, and then my ski goggles, courtesy of my sister. Thank you so much, Kat. So I have to shove this food down my face really, really quick. I shredded this cheese last night. It's from Tillamook, and they have the best cheese. Fun fact, I went to Tillamook, the town in Oregon, and it was beautiful.
I wish we had tried those when I was there. Like,
I kind of forgot that I had them.
they sound good. Right. What they'll say is, you died to say it, so you died to.
I definitely slept in today. I don't know why, but my hatch alarm did not wake me up this morning. And I'm not mad about it because I don't even have class until 12 o'clock today. But that sleep was definitely needed. I did not realize how much skiing can wear you out. Making my bed right now because if I do this, then I know I'm gonna have a good start to the day. I also haven't touched my phone yet and don't plan on touching it until I'm all done eating breakfast and all done with my Bible reading this morning. All right, let's get this day started. First things first, I'm gonna make a matcha. Something about me is I'm very, very stubborn and I don't like to spend money unless I have to. My freezer that makes my ice has been broken for like 3 months, 3 to 4 months. I asked my boyfriend to fix it. He was working on it for a while and then he was like, Caroline, I think you I think you really need to just call and get it fixed. So every single day, I fill up this small rinky-dinky ice cube tray. Takes me about 8 ice cubes because they're that small to fill up my cup. This is getting refilled quite often, but that's just me. I'm stubborn. I don't want to spend the money to get the ice machine fixed, although I probably should. I mean, the shapes are cute at least. Must have ingredients for my matcha. This is the one that I've been using. I actually got this one from Costco. I love it. Then I also add some honey. This one's on its last life, but we'll get that. And then to top it all off, of course, cinnamon. I didn't know that some people just genuinely do not like cinnamon. Question of the day, comment down below whether or not you like cinnamon. I love cinnamon. And I love my matcha, 3 scoops today. If y'all also love almond milk, this is the best brand that I could recommend to you guys. Filtered water, organic almonds, Himalayan pink salt, no binders, no fillers, no paraben. Tastes so good. Then I take my honey. I kind of have to really squeeze with this one because it's on its last life. I love a lot of honey. Definitely generous with that. Sometimes the honey likes to stick to the bottom, so I put the lid on the mason jar and I just shake it, and then you're ready to add your matcha. Final taste test, here we go. Wow, that's good. Thoughts on skiing last night. Overall, I'd rate it like an 8.5 out of 10. The reason why I didn't vote it a 10 is because I should have dressed a little bit warmer. I'm pretty sure I don't know if it's a disease or something, but where you're just always cold. I don't think the temperature in my body distributes evenly because ever since I've been little, my mom always knows that my toes get really cold even if the rest of my body is warm, and that also happens with like my fingertips as well. And so last night I was freezing. I thought that I had dressed enough. I wore so many layers. Next time I'll bring more. And then I also want to bring one of those. Is it a gator mask? Or is that only a southern thing? I don't even know. Something to cover my chin and my mouth. I just stayed on the bunny slopes the whole time. And I don't know why I was thinking that the bunny slopes were going to be super easy. They weren't. No, the first try I was scared for my life. I genuinely could not stop myself from going so fast. I thought I was gonna hit a kid. I thought I was gonna break my knees doing pizza so hard. It was stressful, but doing it with a bunch of other beginners made it so much more fun. I don't know why I kept thinking this in my head, but I always thought that when you went skiing, your goal by the end of the day should be to hit a black diamond, or your goal should be to level up to the next mountain. Really what it's all about is you're at your own pace. You're supposed to be having fun. You're not supposed to be terrified doing the slopes that you know you can't do because you're not ready yet. I don't think there's any shame in staying on the smaller slopes if you know that that's what works for you, because it's better to do that and prevent an injury than get seriously hurt because you don't know what you're doing. You don't know how to control yourself. Dang, this matcha is good. I went on the ski lift and then down the mountain probably like 8 times. I'm going to read my morning reading for the day. So this is something that I started on January 1st. And I'm on reading 22 because today is the 22nd. So it's really helpful because now I can really like keep myself accountable and following the plan. If you don't know what a chronological Bible is, that's okay. I didn't either. Over Christmas break, I went to my boyfriend's hometown and I was having a conversation with his dad, and he was finishing up reading his chronological Bible. He explained that it takes the entire Bible but puts it in chronological order on a timeline. If you're familiar with the Bible, you know it's written according to books. So it starts with Genesis, and then you have obviously like the 4 Gospels, you've got the Old Testament, New Testament. This takes all the books, all the readings, verses, and it puts it into a chronological timeline. Right now I'm in the 16th and 17th century BC. Very much at the beginning. This is how much I've covered since January 1st. I'm in the section of Job. I have a very hard time comprehending things, and I never wanted to ask for help. When I would be in a Bible study or just reading the Bible in general, I would not understand anything because my brain just doesn't work like that. This has helped me understand it so much. So if you guys also are interested in reading the Bible chronologically, I would highly encourage it. I can go ahead and link the one that I used. My boyfriend bought this one for me because we're doing it together. That's like a little thing that we're doing with long distance, making long distance fun. And I was wrong, I'm on reading 23. Today's not the 22nd, actually, it's the 23rd.
Good job, matcha.
Alright, this is today's fit. I got this sweater thrifting, I think a year and a half ago, and I love it. It is so thick. It's got like this beautiful wool texture, and then Jeans are Levi's, and then shoes, can you see? My Reeboks, my favorite. Heading out to class right now. I only have one class today, fortunately. And it's just Biz 301, so organizational behavior. And I have it with my friend McKenna. And dang it, I forgot my keys. BRB. Oh. And I forgot my wallet, and my sunglasses, and my EpiPen. The joys of having a peanut allergy. Let's crank this air up. Literally had a dance party to this song. When I get home, I want you. Hello, I got places to be. Like me next to you, and you next to me. Hello, I got places to be.
This world were mine. Hey, Roman numeral 7 days, drop it like it's hot.
If it was up to me,
You would stop.
I give myself enough time so I don't need to rush and run to class. It's pretty sunny, so I do want to enjoy a nice walk. Does anybody else still use wired headphones? This is just one thing that I will always be a big fan of. Can't get behind AirPods. They don't fit in my ears right. They're also just annoying and they give me headaches. So I'm a wire girly at heart. Let's walk to class. Dog arrived. Hi friends, I'm back home from school. Hello. Hi buddy, hello. Oh, it's 1:44 p.m. and I think I mentioned earlier, but I had my last class with my friend McKenna. Well, Miss McKenna and I decided that we wanted to go to happy hour at Ling and Louie's tonight. And happy hour is from 3 to 5, so I think we're gonna meet there at 4:30. Ling and Louie's is basically like P.F. Chang's, if y'all have ever been there. Delicious Asian fusion food. I call it Americanized Asian food. And they've got pretty good sushi, I will say. Matcha's package from Farmer's Dog just arrived, so let's go ahead and open that up. This video is not sponsored, but I've never seen my dog love food more in his life than when I do Farmer's Dog. Also, I wanted to share this. This has been such a big improvement. He has a tendency to eat really fast. And sometimes when he does that, he throws up his food later. So I found this bowl on Amazon. It's like a maze shamrock looking bowl. There's different patterns and stuff, but it kind of helps him not eat super fast and he loves it. And then obviously the new Farmer's Dog food. Before he was strictly eating like the kibble. I really like the brand I was using. I think it was called Nulu or Nulo. And he had this like salmon kibble, whatnot. But then I got influenced, as one does. And I heard someone talking about how dried dog food is basically burnt most of the time and just not really good for your pets. And because pets are like our children, so I want to be feeding him the best food that I can if I have the means to be able to. So each package, this is what it looks like. And this is about 20 days worth of food. I just take these and then stick them in the freezer. Mata, you were out there for literally 5 seconds. Getting ready to head out to Ling and Louie's for dinner. It's gonna be an early dinner because it's 4:08 right now. I always get like mascara or eyeliner on my eyelid and it's so annoying. And then it also gets underneath my eyes. I love beanies so much. If you're ever having a greasy hair day, it is so incredibly easy to just braid your hair, throw your beanie on. Today's Poppy of the day is Raspberry Rose. I'm a really big fan of Poppy. My family has a Wordle group chat and so they send their Wordle all the time. It's so funny. My mom, sister, dad, aunt, and boyfriend, yeah, all of us are on this. And I'm really bad. I always forget to do the Wordle, but anytime someone does it, everybody loves the message, everybody hearts it. It's so fun. Is your cousin staying here?
Have you tried pita pit?
No, I haven't, but I drive by all the time.
It's like a Mediterranean. Look how big mine is.
Hi.
Oh, you're literally about to.
Cute earrings.
I just like drenched myself out of you because I have fake tan and it smells bad, so I'm trying to mask it.
I can't even smell it.
I've been smelling like a cool shit all day.
All right, what did everyone get? Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. I'm fine. It's good. Wait, is it good? Okay, like, let me put my shoes in the neck drink. I'm that front girl at the computer now instead of walking around. And I got $1 raise, so drinks on me, guys.
Hell yeah.
Oh. But look. So I have to turn my phone in like 15 days.
McKenna just killed that parking. Yeah, McKenna. It only took like 3 times. Good morning, everyone. It's 6:30. I'm trying out a workout class at Orange Theory for the first time, and I'm going with one of my girlfriends, Kaylee. So that means I need to find an outfit. I've never done Orange Theory before, so I don't really know what to expect. I feel like we're gonna be doing a lot of like burpees, so I'm gonna bring a long sleeve, and then honestly, maybe these shorts. I got these from REI the other day. They're from the brand Rabbit, and they're adorable. I haven't worn them yet, but I think this could be cute. So I got home pretty late last night, so I'm kind of tired. But something that I always notice is that when I wake up early and I do a workout, I always feel 10 times better after the workout. And I'm like really grateful that I woke my body up, got it to move that early. Plus, that means that we're probably gonna get food after, and I am such a food junkie. So looking forward to that. I kind of love this. I don't really wear a lot of shorts like this. I feel like I wear mostly like tight spandex booty shorts, but I really miss this. This reminds me of the shorts that I would wear during COVID, especially during cheer season, making me nostalgic for some reason. I am genuinely so impressed right now. There are like 45 people right now in Orange Theory, and it's 7 a.m. Because this is my first time, my class is actually free. Fun fact, if you want to take Orange Theory, your first trial, I guess, is free. And the class times that they had, I think, started at 5:15 a.m. So for anybody who wakes up that early and goes to Orange Theory, you can have all the applauses in the world because that's incredible. Okay, off the bat, I'm seeing TRX bands, alligator looking ones. I'm seeing treadmills, people using dumbbells on the ground. I'm actually really excited for this. I think I'm gonna really enjoy this workout.
Cause up until yesterday you were a memory in a bottle, washed away before I went away to college. I safely stored you away, so why not try